Yeah, so Tecno just released a world's most slimmest smartphone of the year, and it has a touch of the iPhone Air features design and a lot of new features, AI features from Tecno. So let's check out if this device actually does what it says. Yeah, so from the design department, you can still have 5.9 millimeters slimmest 3D curved powered by Tecno AI. So let's go to the battery. So it has up to 5160 milliamp hour long lasting battery with a 45 watt supercharging. That's faster and very long. I can take up to 24.8 hours on DOU, and it has 10 watts wired reverse charging, so you can charge it with another device or charge another device with that. So it has a dissipation area with 24,532 millimeter square. It also comes with a MediaTek Helio G200 processor for high performance chipset. So you are getting not a better battery, you are also getting a higher performance chipset with 5 years of lasting fluency. So anytime you see any lag or any performance decline, you can just opt in for a new one. So it also has a 3D curved AMOLED display with up to 4500 nits peak brightening. The free link also allows you to do free calls without a signal. Now, so if anyone has the same phone with you and there's no network at your end, you can just do a free link call. You can access the person, you can have your convo, and you are good to go. It also has 1.5K and up to 144 Hz display on the phone, so you are getting a high refresh rate with 1.5K quality. It has ultra bright display, and it also has a Pro SDR display with a 2160 Hz IS rate. It has a wet touch, and you can see 6.78 inches, too slim, too useful, and it has IP rating of 64 for dust and water resistance, so you don't have to worry about splash of water or dust. But I don't know for the high level, high depth of water for now. So it has passed a military grade shock resistant test, so it's good for any other occasions and its exceptional durability. So let's move on to the AI eraser or the AI feature. So you can remove unwanted stars from pictures easily just by clicking or just visual instructions. So you've seen similar stuff with the Galaxy AI and the Apple Intelligence. Their AI is called Axela, so you can just access it anywhere. Just text, visual, circle to search, and AI writing, translate. It's just basically the popular AI features that you know, noise cancellation, call translation, and all of that with most of the Galaxy features. So let's go to the camera. It has a 50 megapixels rear camera, a flash snap, meaning you can get high quality images from moving objects or jumping objects. I think that's a good improvement with these AI features and these newer models of phones. Yeah, so with the storage department, it has up to 256 gigabytes of storage with 16 gig of RAM, of which you can add 8 gig extended RAM. It also has an infrared remote control. It has dual speakers and can have touch transfer and a whole lot. It has a Dolby Atmos effect, it has the audio and a whole lot of features. So yeah, so the touch transfer also works like the airdrop on iPhones. Other features are the dual system, the outdoor booster, and has AI music and a whole lot of effects. It has the ultimate read technology, honeycomb space stacking technology, making it slim for usage, and some effects. You have the audio effect, the lighting, picture effect, and a whole lot that shows at the back of the phone with some special lights effect. So you can see charging, you have the core, and a whole lot of features here. So I think this phone is just dope. I can't wait to have it in person to test it out, man. Yeah, so let me know if you would like to get some of this device, or I should do a day in the life with this phone, testing out the new features and all of that. And make sure you tag Techno Ghana in the comments below so they can send me one for this to happen. Yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video as well.